okay.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits.
Stop right here and I will be right back.
Sector 2, comms module in backup. All holo transmissions.
Right, this way the dudes all the way out here to the flight deck, we're into the car real safe all the way out there.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a Exit in motion. Recruits closing to transport.
Initiate green light sequence on deck 3 for Picard. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Loading up.
Paramount personnel, this is your final call on board. On the fuel pressure line. Good.
Open that door on hyperdrive.
Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive need to run it down on the
Good. Airspeed sensor?
Nephew.
Thank you, Nien Nunb. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Then we can systems can't again.
Affirmative.
Then okay.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Bek. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Picard.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. EVA, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, Nien Nunb? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship is now under First Order jurisdiction. You're to disembark immediately and proceed to interrogation.
Tell him, girl. What do you want?
tactics of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
They're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Lieutenant Bek, we need to find him a way. Okay, take this corridor to the turbo list, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Bek will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Prisoners are sealed and deep. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just blown! Why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run!
Escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Bek? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Bek. Rhino, scout for his pocket.
Lieutenant Bek here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!